it's Amy here with Cooking with Amy, and today we're going to have a special star named Penny. Penny, come out here. How did you appear? Wow. Okay, now, so she's a special guy. I'll help you like this video. Hi, it's Amy here with
Penny.
And today we're going to make pie.
Pie.
Yay! And the ingredients you will need are
Eggs,
flour,
sugar,
vinegar,
and milk.
and we also need a mixing bowl. And that's the very important part of the
pie.
Yay! Okay, we also need a whisk. Wait, where's the whisk?
I know.
Oh, there it is. Look here.
Checked here.
What? Okay. Anyway, so first you will put 2 eggs. Penny, you want to do it? The second one.
Alright.
Yay! Now we pour in a little bit, tiny bit of flour. Then you get the sugar and pour in a teaspoon of it in. Or, yeah, a teaspoon of it. Then you pour in 2 cups of milk. Then you put 1 teaspoon of vinegar, which you would do it, Penny. No, you would do it. Yeah. Anyways. Now. And then next, we are going to mix it. Yay!
Why don't you do it, Amy?
Okay, mixing it. Okay, so now you take out the whisk and then you have to put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Ding, 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 ding. So we are back.
Yeah.
And we got the pie.
Yeah.
Let's let it cool down. It doesn't look like a pie.
Let me get it with my oven. Not my oven, my oven.
No, it's not ready yet. Okay, actually, okay, so let it cool off for about 5 minutes. We'll be in the TV room. And then she's like, oh, what? Oh, are we rolling? Oh, okay, so welcome back to Cooking with Amy. We were just watching a movie in the movie room. And we let it dry, you remember?
What happened to our pie? Crumbly.
Penny, it's your fault.
No, you did something wrong.
Nuh-uh.
Yaha.
Excuse me for this. Okay, now turns out it was a mistake. We didn't forgot to put in 2 sticks of butter, or I think it was 1. We forgot to put in the butter sticks. So yeah, don't make the mistake like.
And we kind of left it to
dry too much.
Yeah.
So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah.
Dee.
But first, let's taste it.
It's good, but it just not looks good. Okay. At first I hoped that it would taste better than it looked. So yeah. Warning, this is a fake recipe. Do not try it at home.